Good Friday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas Weather, and let's take a look at this morning's outlook. I know it's a little later in the day for a morning outlook, but we're going to go ahead and get this out today, and we've been catching up on some much-needed rest from this week, a very active week, a very active past few weeks across not just Southwest Arkansas, but the general U.S. A lot of severe weather from the past few weeks, and we finally get a little bit calmer. We get a little calmer for a few days, but we'll talk about the 6-day or 7-day forecast here the 6-day forecast here pretty soon. Just at the end of this video here, we'll go over the 6-day forecast and talk more about that. But taking a look at current temperatures across the area, as of 9:15, they're sitting at 60 in the 60s, lower 70s already down here across the far southwestern portion of the coverage area from Camden to Texarkana, Magnolia, El Dorado, and those areas there are already in the 70s there across that part of the state. Looking at radar, not seeing much of anything on rain chances, and taking a look at satellite, not seeing a whole lot there either. Mostly sunny skies. Sunny skies look likely throughout the day. You do have a few little peaks of some cloud cover there showing up on satellite, but that's going to continue to kind of stick around, so maybe a cloud or two could be possible, but sunny skies for the most part looks likely across the area here. And then taking a look at future model guidance for the day today, and looking at future model guidance throughout the day today, not seeing much of anything really there in terms of future model guidance or stuff of that nature. Mostly sunny skies today. Not really expecting much in the rain shower chances really until really come probably your Sunday time frame. You may have some showers that we may have to watch for overnight Saturday night, but really the main focus is probably going to be on Sunday and Sunday night. As we head into next week, the rain chances look to return possibly across the area, but we'll get more to that here in just a minute. Let's go ahead and hop over to this and show you what forecasted highs are going to be like today. As you can see, highs are going to be right there in the upper 70s to mid 70s across most of the area. Down there a little further south, across from D Queen down to Ashdown, Camden area, maybe even Nashville and Hope, and a few other areas there. You're going to see lower 80s as highs today, right there across a few southern rows of counties here in southwest Arkansas. But 82 could be the potential high temperature in El Dorado today, and Minas could be around 76, the general range of where you could see your forecasted high temperatures at throughout the day today. Then taking a look at overnight lows tonight, going to be a little bit on the cooler side, as you can see here. Overnight lows are going to be in the mid to or really in the 50s tonight, with Mina potentially getting around 51 degrees, while Texarkana could cool down to 57 degrees across the area, but mid-50s look likely throughout the day today, or throughout the overnight hours tonight. And then as we head into the 6-day forecast, as you can see, really not expecting much until we get to Sunday night. May have to put some rain chances in the forecast Saturday night there from what we're seeing there. But today, north wind of around 10 miles per hour, gust up to 15 miles per hour could be possible. Sunny skies with a cloud or two could be possible. 0% chance of rain, highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Overnight lows in the 50s there as well. Then as we head into Saturday, some clouds could start to return. Mostly sunny skies look likely, with a northeast wind of around 5 miles per hour, highs right there around 80 degrees, overnight lows around 60. Then as we head into Sunday, mostly cloudy skies. Cloud cover starts to increase from west to east, and highs are going to be in the mid to upper 70s, overnight lows around 60 degrees. Chance of thunderstorms does return as we head into the overnight hours. They're around 60% chance in the PM time frame or overnight time frame, with mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. May have to watch, for some rain chances overnight Saturday, so we'll get more information on that as we get closer. Then on Monday, right now, as we head into the next week, more rain chances and storm chances return. Right now, we don't have a chance of severe weather. That will be determined as we get closer, if we will or not. But right now, we don't have any chances or any organized big chances. Can't rule out the possibility, it's that time of year, the possibility of maybe a isolated strong to severe storm here or there, but nothing like we've seen here recently as of now. Now, as we get closer, could things change? Yes. But we'll keep you updated on that. We'll keep you updated on the newest information that we have. But right now, as of today, we don't have any severe weather chances in the forecast. We may have to watch, for maybe a maybe an isolated severe storm or so when we head into that time frame of next week. But we'll watch it closely. Thankfully, Arkansas has been really lucky here recently, really blessed, with the chance of severe weather, and it's kind of gone around us. Other than the tornado and hot springs and a few other areas, but for the most part, a lot of it's missed us. Really, you can look at storm reports and see it's done a loop around us both times, and any time that occurs, that's a big win in our books. We want every severe weather event to bust. Doesn't when you're forecasting it, oh well, if it busts, that's a great thing to have happen, and hopefully that trend continues. But if we do have those chances, make sure you always stay weather aware, and we'll keep you updated on those. But right now, taking a look at the rest of this 6-day forecast, rain chances return really overnight Sunday into Monday, with a 80% chance of rain on Monday, with highs around 76 degrees, overnight lows around 60. Then as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, 20% chance of maybe some isolated thunderstorms, mostly cloud or partly cloudy skies. Look likely both of those days. Highs are going to be in the lower to mid 80s there, with overnight lows in the 60s to end out this current time frame. We'll have more information as we get a little closer to this. But as always, big thanks to our sponsors, Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, and Fort Smith Therapy for all they do to help us get this information. Make sure you go and check them out over on Facebook as well. Make sure you check out the Facebook page as well. We do have some new information. There could be the potential, and I'll pull this up real quick. There could be the potential of some northern lights in some areas. I don't know if it's going to reach southwest Arkansas completely, but let me find this here and pull this up here for you. But we're going to be watching for the chance of some maximum potential of some northern light visibility. It's actually naked eye visible. Will be visible down to the Carolinas and even Oklahoma. Maybe northern Arkansas has a better chance of visible eyes seeing it. Southern possible to view on the horizon from Florida to Southern California. It's a G4 storm forecast, the highest in 19 years. So that's something to be on the lookout for overnight tonight. Don't know if we're going to be able to see it necessarily with the naked eye, but some high exposure cameras and such may be able to see it. Once again, we'll have to see if we can see it with the central eye, with the visible eye. Once again, we'll have to see. It's we're close to it, but may be not our best luck there with that. But we'll keep you updated on that. But the best viewed conditions are away from all light pollution and stuff like that. You can, if not visible with the naked eye, you can probably even see it on a long exposure camera shots, even possibly with an iPhone. So we'll be on the lookout for that tonight, and just keep you updated on that as well for your day here on Friday. Have a good rest of your weekend, and we'll try to do some more morning outlooks over this weekend. Once again, we're going to try to get back in the general pattern of what we have been doing with the severe weather chances. We kind of changed up how we went about forecasting this week, with mainly putting the focus on severe weather chances. But we're going to go back to these normal morning outlooks now, and once again, we'll keep you updated on the newest information. Have a good rest of your Friday, and enjoy the drier conditions. More rain chances return next week. Once again, have a good rest of your Friday, and thank you as always for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.